What's up, everybody? I'm back, One Man Body Shop. I had got a little ahead of myself and started cutting out before I started recording. But I'm finna weld up this piece of metal. I'm patching it in. Here's a couple tools I'll be using. The grinder, cutoff wheel, measuring stick, a hammer, and a Harbor Freight welder, and some magnets as well. And this is the piece that I cut out. That's the piece that I cut out. That was right there. I put up a picture how it looked before, and then I put it up against some strap metal and made me a patch piece, a patch panel. That's how that looks. That's how that's gonna look. And it's gonna go in like that. Let's see. That's gonna go in like that. I'm gonna put a couple tack welds in, and I'm gonna cut it back on. All right, I'm back. There it is, tack welded in. Ain't going nowhere. Got it all tack welded in. Now what I'm gonna do is take my grinder and grind down the hot spots to make it flush and even with the surface. So let me do that, and I'm gonna cut you back on. All right, I'm back. I got it sanded down. Now I'm finna go to side marker light and start prepping that up to delete that. But that's how that came out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around the edges with I'm gonna mix up some Rondo and go around the edges to help waterproof it. And then once I do that, I'm gonna start the body work. But it looks good, just like it is. It looks good. That's how that looks. All right, I'm back. There it is with some 80 grit. And the areas that's still high, the areas that where the well's still high, I'm gonna go and take them down just a little bit more. But the majority is good. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. One Man Body Shop.